We're going to look today at adding 3/6 plus 3/4. The first thing we notice about our fractions is that they don't have a common denominator. So we need to find the least common multiple of 6 and 4 to use as our new denominator. Multiples of 6 include 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. Multiples of 4 include 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Since 12 is their least common multiple, that's going to be what we use as our common denominator. To get from 6 to 12, I need to multiply by 2. Since I multiplied my denominator by 2, I need to multiply my numerator by 2 as well. 3 times 2 gives me 6, so 3/6 is equivalent to 6/12. I can then do the same thing with 3/4. 4 times 3 gives me 12, so since I multiplied my denominator by 3, I can multiply my numerator by 3 as well. 3 times 3 gives me 9, so 3/4 is going to be equivalent to 9/12. Since we now have our common denominator, we can go ahead and add our numerators together. 6 plus 9 is going to give me a total of 15. So right now, our sum is 15/12. Now, the first thing we notice about 15/12 is that it's an improper fraction, so we need to turn it into a mixed number. In order to do that, I need to divide 15 by 12. 12 goes into 15 once, so I can put these 12 pieces together to make one whole group. I now have a remainder of 3. That remainder of 3 is the numerator part of my fraction, so we're at 1 3/12. Right now, we're still not done though, because 3 and 12 have common factors, so it can still be simplified to lowest terms. Factors of 3 include 1 and 3. Factors of 12 include 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Since 3 is their greatest common factor, I can divide both my numerator and denominator by 3. 12 divided by 3 gives me 4. 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. So 3/12 is equivalent to 1/4, which means in lowest terms, our final solution is 1 1/4. Since 6 and 8 are not our common denominators, the first thing we need to do is make equivalent fractions. 6 and 8 are going to both be made into a fraction out of 24. To get from 6 to 24, I need to multiply by 4. 5 times 4, that gives me 20. 8 times 3 gives me 24. 6 times 3 is going to give me 18. When I add them together, 20 plus 18 is going to give me 38. But since that's an improper fraction, we're going to have to divide 38 by 24. 24 is going to go into 38 once. That leaves me with 14. But we're still not done yet, because 14 and 24 can both be divided by 2. That's going to give me 7. 24 divided by 2 is going to give me 12. I can't forget about my 1, so my final answer is 1 7/12.